The Radial Pro AV2 is a stereo DI box with all of the connections you'll commonly find on stereo playback devices. You've got stereo RCA, stereo 3.5mm TRS, and stereo TS connections. The Pro AV2 is a good solution when you need to connect a DJ mixer with unbalanced outputs or a presenter's laptop on stage. You connect the unbalanced device to the input side of the DI and then use two long XLR cables or the front of house snake to get those stereo signals to your mixer. As headphone jacks become increasingly less common though, you may find situations where you need to get the signal from a laptop or a smartphone digitally because there may be no analog outputs on the device. One method that works well for a laptop is to use an audio interface. Any audio interface could work here, but if you're looking for a rugged option specifically intended for this purpose, the Radial USB Pro is built like a tank and offers some helpful features like output level control, mono summing, a headphone output, and a ground lift. It's a simple option that you can place in a lectern or under a table with a USB connection for the PowerPoint laptop or multimedia playback laptop. If the person on stage is using a smartphone and they don't have a headphone adapter for their device, you might choose to use the Radial BT Pro V2, which has the same features, level control, headphone output, mono switch, and ground lift, but acts as a Bluetooth receiver to receive audio from the smartphone wirelessly. Finally, if I'm taking audio from an analog source at front of house or backstage, let's say from the video crew, I like to set up the Radial Trim 2. This is similar to the Pro AV2 DI, but it gives me a trim control so that I can fine-tune the level before it hits the console. Again, the outputs on each of these devices are balanced, and that's almost sure to fix your problem if you've been experiencing noise when using an XLR adapter.